Hello and welcome to Dad Got This, and today we are making some Korean side dishes to go with a Korean dish that we're cooking in another video. Let's do this. For the first dish, we are 100% cheating. We are using canned Korean bean sprouts. This is a hack I use all the time. I keep these in my pantry. It is just super convenient. They sell them in my local Publix. I can just have them on hand, and all I need to do is drain them and season them, and I've got bean sprouts anytime I want. Drain your bean sprouts, pop them in a container. We're gonna throw some sesame oil, probably about 2 tablespoons. Throw some minced garlic in there, probably about a tablespoon. Teaspoon of soy sauce, some crushed sesame seeds, toasted, and some rice wine vinegar, probably about a good tablespoon. Now I've made this enough that I don't really actually measure. That was more for your guys' benefit than mine. And you just mix these up. And you can adjust this seasoning to however you like. If you like it a little more, salty, add more soy, a little more sesame, add more of that. Kind of just adjust it to your liking. And that's it. That is the easiest Korean side dish you will ever make. Our next Korean side is going to be a Korean cucumber salad. This is a little spicy salad. We're gonna make ours not so spicy so that the rest of the family can eat it. This is based off of a recipe called oi muchim. Probably destroyed that. I didn't have kind of all of the ingredients, so please be kind if you are Korean. This is close to that. First thing we need to do is thinly slice some cucumber. I did not have the correct cucumbers. You're supposed to use like a special Japanese or pickling cucumber. I didn't have those. I had these cucumbers, so I'm just gonna thinly slice these cucumbers. I think 1 cucumber is probably gonna do it. I don't need that second one. Now we're gonna go ahead and just lightly toss these in some salt and set them aside for 15 minutes. Now we wait. Finishing off our cucumber salad is super easy. First thing we have to do is just drain any excess liquid that is in the cucumber salad. And you don't wanna like really squeeze them. You just wanna drain it. See all that liquid that came out? That was from the salt, because the cucumbers will bruise. Now we're gonna add in some minced garlic, white vinegar. All of the exact amounts will be in the description below from the recipe that I used, the Korean recipe that I used. A little bit of sugar, sesame oil, some sesame seeds, and it's supposed to use minced scallion. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna add in some thinly sliced white onion that I have. And the last item is Korean chili flakes. I'm only gonna add in a very small amount of these, the tiniest amount of these. And give everything. There you go, Korean cucumber salad. Our last side dish is called Gochujang. Once again, probably not right. It is a potato and peppers and carrots, like a little braised potato dish. It's supposed to be super simple. I've never made it. Let's give it a try. First thing we need is some golden potatoes. We need to peel them and cut them into chunks. Called for carrots. I only had baby carrots, so I'm just gonna cut these baby carrots in half. And then some pepper.
Grab yourself a bowl, throw in some soy sauce, some sugar, some mirin, a little bit of corn syrup, minced garlic, sesame oil, sesame seeds, a little bit of black pepper, some water, and some gochujang. Stir that up nice, and we're going to go ahead and set that aside. Set a pan over medium heat and throw your potatoes in it with a little bit of oil. Toss them around and cook them for a few minutes, making sure they don't stick. Throw your liquid in there and your carrots. Bring it to a boil, throw a cover on it, and we're going to cook it for 5 to 6 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. At this point, throw the rest of your veggies in, stir it in, lower the heat a little bit, and let the sauce thicken.
If you enjoyed that video on how to cook those Korean side dishes, maybe you'd like to know how to cook the entree that goes with it. That video's right here. Dad may really enjoy cooking Korean food, but Dad doesn't do outros, so that's it. Bye.